Hi, I'm David Sessions, and welcome to Willis Smith Construction's new corporate headquarters. We decided to make our new corporate headquarters green because we were getting so many questions from our clients, and we wanted to be able to give them the right answers by doing our own research. When we set out on this process, we engaged really the input from all of our employees. And we ultimately decided that we were going to focus on 4 major areas, and we used the lead reference guide to help us along. Those 4 areas are water efficiency, because let's face it, we live in Florida and we have plenty of rain, and yet we always seem to have water shortages. We're going to focus on energy efficiency. We're going to focus on what we call having a healthy building or interior health. And then ultimately also looking at the environmental impacts of construction. You look in a commercial building and you only use so much water for basically making coffee and washing your hands. The rest of it is, let's face it, it's flushed down the toilet. And so what we decided to do was we created 2 different water systems. We have a potable water system, again for washing hands, and we have a gray water system which is used for all the flushing in the building. We have a cistern. We collect rainwater from the roof, it goes into the cistern and it's pumped back into the building for that purpose. We used all water-saving fixtures on top of that, and as a result, this building only uses 28% of the water that a standard facility of this type, size, and use would use. Our company strives for a balance of public sector and private sector work. We specialize in building schools. In fact, we've built many of the wonderful schools that you see in this community. We specialize in museum work, in colleges, in healthcare. We also specialize in building green. In fact, right now we currently have 9 sustainable projects underway. One of the goals when we set out to complete this facility was to also educate others. And we are excited because we actually received an innovation and design point from LEED that designates this as an educational facility. We have educational materials, we have a signage program, and we give guided tours for anybody who is interested in building green or the whole sustainability concept. We're excited about the green movement that is really sweeping this country. And we're especially excited when we look at this community and this region, and we look at the economic development possibilities that the green movement has for Sarasota County.